Wait, what did you do?
When I got home, so it sort of evened it out, I think.
What'd you do?
We were at Costco and I got her a pop, but when I was mixing it, I mixed in regular Coke with a Diet Coke, hoping she'd
I didn't drink it all either.
Loopy.
I didn't drink it all either.
She's driving you home.
It's in the car. Forgot it in the car.
Look at his long hair.
We drove for like
I have my long hair.
20
to match
minutes?
my dick.
What?
And if you see it, so you're straight.
That's what she said. Nothing. I don't say anything.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
You heard her.
You said what?
That's what she said. That's what the boys always say. Think about it. Why do we always have to explain it for you? You know what it is. You just want to not have to think about it.